What's your personality weakness?
Well, I'm quite a shy person. I rather stay at home and read a book than go out. But sometimes I like to go out and meet people, if you know what I mean. I still need human contact. But generally, I don't like to mingle with a lot of people. I like to keep to myself or just hang with a small group of friends. I guess I'm more of an introvert.
Interesting. You said you still need human contact. What do you mean by that?
Humans are all social creatures. If we don't meet people or communicate with each other, we'll feel really lonely and depressed.
That's true.
Even though I can work and have fun by myself, once in a while I do need to meet people to get energized again.
I see what you mean. But mostly you're an introvert?
Yes, that's right.
Is there anything else you would like to share about your personality that you think is a weakness?
Well, I think I'm a bit of a perfectionist.
A perfectionist?
Yes, I have a tendency to get really annoyed if something isn't done perfectly.
That must mean you have high standards.
Yes, sometimes unrealistically. It makes me procrastinate a lot and slows down my work. I think this is my weakest point.
Maybe this can be seen as both a weak and strong point. If you have high standards, that's great. But if you can't get your work done quickly, that's a problem as well.
Yeah, you could say that. I guess I never saw it that way.
What is your most positive trait?
If I could say it in one word, it would be grit. Just plain old grit. It helped me achieve so much in life.
Can you elaborate?
Grit simply means to keep going even during difficult times. Ever since I was young, I've had that ability to keep going even though I was in many tough situations.
You're right. I've seen you at your lowest and darkest point in life. And you've still managed to recover and get through it. Do you think that some people are just born with grit? Or did you develop it?
I don't think anyone is born with it. Just like a newborn baby can't do complex math straight out of the womb. I developed it. Developing grit half the time is having a positive can-do attitude and never giving up on a goal. It's simply showing up every day and doing the work.
What's the other half?
Glad you asked. The other half is whether you can handle enough pain and adversity to get you through to the finish line, whatever that may be. You see, a lot of people can't handle even a little pain and adversity in life, but what I've found is that there is always light at the end of the tunnel, if you're willing to go through the pain.
Do you think that's the reason why you were able to complete one of the hardest ultra-marathons in the world?
Without question, 100%. To this day, that's the proudest moment of my life. That was all grit. I had to overcome the most intense physical and mental pain of my life.
I think I want to start developing grit myself.
Good for you. You need to have a goal, though. It's easier that way.
Then, my goal is to develop grit against my wife's constant nagging. As you said, if I can handle the pain, then there will be light at the end of the tunnel.
Haha. What the hell, man?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!